Have you already been to physical therapy for your tennis elbow and it didn't work? If so, I want to tell you something that might surprise you. Hi, I'm Emma Green, I'm the tennis elbow queen, and I have been helping people with tennis elbow for more years than I want to remember. Getting back to the question, it doesn't necessarily mean that physical therapy can't help. It usually means you weren't given the right treatment for the stage of tennis elbow you were in. And in this video, I'm going to explain the 3 biggest reasons I see people fail physical therapy, so that you don't make the same mistake. One of the reasons I'm so passionate about this topic is the first patient who inspired me to create my entire program had already seen 5 different doctors and multiple healthcare professionals before we even met. He wasn't failing treatment because he wasn't trying. He tried everything he could think of. He simply hadn't found an approach that addressed what was actually keeping his tennis elbow going. Firstly, the tendon wasn't actually healed. This is one of the biggest problems that I see with people when they have been to physical therapy. Maybe they've got pain relief, but the tendon wasn't actually healed, so that's why it comes back. Maybe they're given stretches, massage, ultrasound, TENS, ice, heat, dry needling, manual therapy. These things can all reduce symptoms, but they don't rebuild a degenerated tendon. Pain relief is not the same as tendon healing. Second reason, treatment only focused on the elbow. Chronic tennis elbow is rarely just an elbow problem. The longer you've had symptoms, the more likely it is that other structures are affected. You can get forearm tension, the muscles of the forearm get really tight, even in the biceps, triceps, upper traps, shoulder compensation. You might notice grip changes, weakness in your forearm muscles, nervous system changes, central sensitization. This is where pain can persist. So if all the treatment stays here, we can miss everything else that's keeping the pain going. Thirdly, the program wasn't progressed. People often receive exercises, maybe a whole sheet of exercises, don't really know which ones are going to be the most beneficial for them, or they're given exercises that can help, but they're not taken heavy enough and they don't do them for long enough. Tendons adapt to progressive loading, so we have to get heavier. If the load never changes, the tendon has no reason to change. Your tendon needs that loading reason to become stronger. If you've already been through physical therapy and you're thinking, Emma, that's exactly what happened to me, don't lose hope. It doesn't mean you're beyond help. It just means that you haven't been given the correct treatment strategies at the correct time to resolve your tennis elbow. Check out my other videos to see the specific phases of treatment that your tennis elbow likely needs. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.